This is a News 3 Now special report.
Thanks for watching this special report from Channel 3000. Wisconsin is continuing to see an increase of positive COVID-19 cases in the state. Right now, more than 8,000 people in Wisconsin have tested positive for COVID-19. 339 people have died of complications from the virus. About 48% of those who have tested positive have recovered. DHS data from yesterday shows that 11% of people who tested for the virus tested positive. The Department of Health Services says we need to see a 14-day decrease in the positive cases percentage before we can lift the safer at home order. The orange line on the screen indicates that there's been no downward trend in the past 14 days. 1 week ago, President Trump said there could be 60,000 to 70,000 deaths from the coronavirus in the United States. But with the death toll now at more than 65,000, the president is projecting even more deaths. Trump says there could be around 100,000 deaths in the United States. The death toll projections may be on the rise, but he also predicted a vaccine by the end of the year.
Maybe it's going to be a vaccine, or maybe it's going to be that this virus will pass. It will go. Will it come back? It might. It could. Some people say yes, but it will pass.
Congress is partially reopening today. The Senate is reconvening this afternoon, where debate over the next round of coronavirus financial relief is already becoming a partisan fight. President Trump also says any relief package must include a payroll tax cut, something Democrats in Congress oppose. Governor Tony Evers is scheduled to meet this afternoon with both Republican and Democratic legislative leaders to discuss next steps in Wisconsin's response to the pandemic. The meeting comes the day before the Wisconsin Supreme Court is scheduled to hear oral arguments in a case brought by the Republican legislative leaders seeking to block Evers' safer at home order that currently runs until May 26. Republicans have been increasingly critical of Evers' approach to the COVID-19 outbreak. Dane County officials have announced that they are delaying property tax due dates. County Executive Joe Parisi, along with Madison Mayor Satya Rose Conway, announced that Dane County will give local units of government the flexibility to delay the due date for property taxes to October 1st, 2020. Recent state legislation allowed counties and their communities to take steps in that attempt to offer payment flexibility for individuals and families who may be struggling to keep up with expenses during the COVID-19 crisis. We'll have more on this story in later newscasts. Staff and providers at UW Health Lab has worked to increase in-house testing capacity at University Hospital and expand access to tests. UW Health has doubled the number of daily completed tests to more than 400 over the last 10 days. UW Health expects to see an increase to the number of daily completed tests, though access to key supplies is a limiting factor. UW Health has reduced the turnaround time on test results. It's now 1/3 of the original time. Thanks for watching this special report from Channel 3000.